You got a lot of nerve after that shit Pedro pulled at the funeral. What, he sends you to finish the job?
Pedro doesn't know I'm here, all right? I'm completely violating protocol. Look, I never wanted you for this job because of what Dog Eyes did to your sister and how you handle things in San Francisco. But you've done better than anyone could have expected. I can only imagine the pressure you must have been under.
Don't get sappy on me now, Raymond.
Wait, you crossed Pedro, right? He's cut you off. And this is your last chance to come in clean.
What? But what's he gonna do? Arrest me? Call me a rogue cop? Look, I need you to be straight with me. Is he gonna blow my cover?
Look, I don't know what he'll do. Not anymore. Wait, just come back with me now. You're a good man. We can fix this. Smooth it over with Pendry.
Jackie, not now. I'm busy.
Mr. Shen, we have your friend, so listen very carefully. You'll receive our instructions. Follow them if you want him to live.
Look, it's Jackie. I need to go.
Wait. Wait!
Hold it right there. Head him down, Mule Shoes.
Try anything and your friend dies. Oh, he's clean.
Where's Jackie?
Go ahead. The man is down there.
Where's Jackie?
You're as dumb as you look. Kill him! You know we're not letting you out of here!
一齊上啦！
一齊嚟打殘佢哋！屌佢老母啊！我掟佢打佢！細驚佢啦！
細路啊！睇住你啊！
喂，快啲滾啊！
單手搞掂你啦！
過嚟啊！仆街！Don't be afraid of this idiot！ 哇！快手踢鳩佢啦！
一齊上啦！上啦！同我跳啦！嚟啊！
Where's Jackie? You're never going to find him! Stop! Stop!
Where's Jackie?
I don't know! I don't know what they did with him!
What do you mean you don't know?
I was just supposed to kill you. I don't know anything about the other guy.
Who does?
T. Wyatt, H&K's head enforcer.
How do I get to him?
I don't know. I only talked to him by phone.
You tell me, and I might let you live, you stupid fucker.
I only talked to him on my phone. Here, take it.
Push his car!
喂，死仔你做咩啊？我屌，我架車啊！
Ziwa?
Who the hell is this? Where's Horseface?
This is New Shoes. I work for Horseface.
I'm not talking to you. Put your boss on.
He's dead. Shen killed him.
What?
Shen. I hope you're not afraid of ghosts. I've come for you.
Damn it!
Salty, this is Wei. I need a boat and I need a gun. Can you meet me in Kennedy Town? And Salty, make it a big gun, okay? I don't want to fuck around.
Gun is in a boat as requested. I threw in a lot of ammo too.
Thanks.
Want a traveling companion?
Thanks, but this is personal. Pissing me off. Jackie! Shit! Oh, fuck!
Fuck, man.
You're alive.
You
Come on.
almost how I fucking crazy. Fuck.
You okay?
Fuck, man. Fuck. Oh, man.
Calm down. I'm right here, brother.
I thought I was gonna fucking die down there, man. Fuck. I thought I was gonna die like an animal, man. Fucking like a dog or something.
Come on, brother. You're okay. I got your back.
Fuck. Fuck. Wait. Thanks, bro.
How'd they get you?
Man, it was Big Smiley, man. He fucking grabbed me at the fucking funeral. Tossed me off the ATK, man.
Yeah, they used you to get me to an ambush.
Big Smiley. Fuckers worse than dog eyes, man. Fuck.
We'll get him, Jack. Come to the lecture. Tell the others what happened. That'll be the end of Lee.
Man, I don't want anything to do with any of this shit anymore. Son on Yi, broken nose, Lee. I'm done with all that, man. Just dream about being in the Son on Yi, you know? Forgive me. Winston's dead. Piggy's dead. All this fucked up shit, I couldn't sleep now.
I know what you're saying. So what do you want to do now, Jackie? The election's tomorrow. We'll want to check out the building, make sure that Big Smiley isn't planning any surprises. But we got some time to kill.
I don't know. I almost bought it today, man. For real.
think I'm just gonna go take a walk or something. Got some shit to think about.
Sure, man. It's cool.
I'll see you tomorrow or something.
All right. Don't do anything stupid.
All right,
I'll take it.
多謝晒 Thank you for shopping here.
Hey, it's Wei. I need a car.
A car? Takla! I'll be there right away.
Here you go. I hope this is good enough.
Hear about the shootout at the Golden Coin? I hear from my aunt. Things like this are happening more and more often.
You have a car in here? You go enjoy yourself.
Hey, it's Wei. I need a car.
A car? Takla! I'll be there right away.
Here you go. Don't work it too much.
Okay. Jackie? Jackie? The fuck? Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Jackie! Ah, fuck! Jackie! Motherfucker!
Hello, Mr. Shen. Or should I say, Officer Shen. My name is Mr. Tom. Perhaps you heard of me?
Fuck you! I'm no cop!
Your friend Jackie didn't think so. He was most loyal. But then, I expect you wouldn't have told him anything.
You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen.
Son of a bitch, I'll kill you.
Oh, save your energy, Mr. Shen. You'll need it. The last cap I had in this chair lasted almost 48 hours. Would you like to try for a new record?
I understand your personal reasons for doing this, your history with the Sun On Yi. You do what must be done.
There were rumors. Before I'm done with you, you will confirm them. And then you will die.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them.
That's the attitude that makes us strong. Loyalty, discretion.
Zhang will be disgraced, and Big Smile Lee will be elected head of the Sun On Yi. Call me when he comes around. There's no rush.
I gotta take a piece. I'm gonna check on our boy. Why not, sir?
For what? Winning? You didn't win shit, yeah?
Guys, he got out! Let's off!
Yeah, you don't. He's out! He's not out! He's killing everybody! 你老母仆街冚家鏟！放手！冇，喂！大你老味！你唔好咁盡喎！
睇住嚟啊！仆街死撚緊啊！睇你點走？夠膽過嚟啊！小心啊！有槍啊！一定會後悔。係啦，屌！一齊嚟打撐佢哋！唔見血唔好停啊！嚟啊！你有錢啊！嚟啊！要準！圍啦！仲等乜鳩啊？I knew you're there. 走嚟啦！爆光收貨，捉佢啊！同我好，你唔恨厭打啊？
I suppose I should be impressed. You defeating my men like that. I am not. Now, where were we?
I see you've cut your way through the amateurs. But now amateur hour is over. Now you die. Your determination is impressive. Fuck you. You'll never win.
I'm sorry, Jackie. Fuck. Lee. Fuck the election. You did this, Lee. And I'm coming for you. Motherfucker.
Warning you here and now, making anyone other than me the chairman will be disastrous for Sun On Yi.
You are an officer of the law, same as me.
Wait, if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
That's the attitude that makes us strong. Loyalty, discretion, used to be more common.
I'm here for Mr. Lee. I take it you've heard of Big Smiley.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them. Where you cross Pendra, he's cut you off.
Anything happens to me, you look after our people, okay?
Man, it was Big Smiley, man. This guy fucking grabbed me at the fucking funeral. Tossed me off to 18K, man.
You show your true colors tonight, brother.
Oh, God! I'm sorry, please! No!
You must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemies.
No matter what happens, Jackie, I won't leave you behind. I'll always come back for you.
You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Your friend Jackie didn't think so. He was most loyal.
I know you have a personal stake here, But this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops. There are rules.
All right, who's first?
Who are you? Oh shit, that's right. You're supposed to be a top guy. Come on, let's go. What's the knife? You want the whole Please, don't. $1,000 to whoever killed this fuck. 佢喺度啊！你想殺我啊？嚇 ！Don't be stupid!
I'm gonna kill you. Anyone who stays with Big Smile.
I'm gonna back away. 要殺我哋！你老母，你唔恨厭打係嘛？
chance! I'm gonna kill you!
Surprise!
Shit! Time to die, Lee.
Fuck you!
You pussy!
You're done!
Piece of fucking shit. Fuck! How does it feel, pig? To know that your boss sold you out? And you fucked your way almost as bad as you fucked Jackie. You were supposed to die with Winston. Dog Eyes blew that. And that poke guy Tong. Fucking worthless lunjong. But that's okay. Because I am gonna enjoy killing you myself.
Fuck you.
Hoi Tor!
You want more? Is that all you got? Come on! How'd that feel? Fuck you! Raymond.
Hey, easy there, Way. This man is in my custody.
Yes, sir.
You okay?
Yeah. Where's Pendrew?
He's up for promotion. Interpol. He's done with us.
He's dirty, Raymond. He outed me to Big Smile Lee.
Take it from me, Way. Whatever you heard, it won't matter. The only voice they hear is Pendrew's. You did what you came here to do, all right? Let's get you cleaned up.
Jay? What the fuck? Uncle Po? Pendrell? What the hell?
Superintendent Pendrell, I'm surprised to see you. You're the one who chased my boys away?
Oh, you know why I'm here.
I can imagine all sorts of reasons. I'm sure you will tell me.
I'm moving on to greener pastures, but not without taking care of some unfinished business with you and Sonny first.
We had a deal, did we not, Pendrell? I gave you the 3 Tigers. It made your career.
And I let you and Sonny continue operating.
A sacrifice you were willing to make.
At the time. I'm putting Sonny away, and with you gone, I'll finish this once and for all.
The only difference between you and me is I know what I am.
Jesus Christ. Pendrell, I've got you, you son of a bitch.
What would you like me to say? Whatever I did, I made Hong Kong a better place. I served the greater good. But you let them get to you. You abandoned your duty, officer, and became one of them. You deserve to be handed over to Big Smile Lee.
Did I? Well, Pendrell, I guess everyone gets what he deserves. Including you. You ready for life in prison?
What?
Because all your old buddies are gonna be waiting for you. I made sure they found out what you did to Uncle Po.
That's a fucking death sentence.
I know.
Where you can't. I won't last a day in there.
That's the plan.
Inspector,
Officer?
I just wanted to say thanks.
For what? It's me who should
For
be...
helping me close cases. Do something I could feel good about. Hell, for helping me stay sane.
My pleasure. So, what are you gonna do now?
I don't know. Job's over, but I don't really have anywhere else to go. Strange to say it after all that's happened, but Hong Kong kind of feels like home.
Yeah. But which Hong Kong, officer?
And what about Wei Shen?
He proved himself to be loyal to me, one way or the other. And isn't that what really matters? Leave him be.
Yes, I'm Jay. Drive.